Boston, Kaiden Aquino. Number 46, Nathaniel Monteparton. And number 47 from Tagum City, Pete Amoyen. Riders, are you ready?
Okay guys, hapit lang sila mga. Magsugo lang sila, no? Guys, 7 hit na siya. Push bike sa mga bata, no? Katawanan yung bibo guys. Wala, kusog kayo sa wala.
Number 13, Diego Mosqueda of Malala, Davao del Sur. Number 14, Hailey Balatero of Tagum City. Number 15, Azaraya Dalapo of Davao City. Number 16, Shanti Makamay. Number 17, Hinata Bitana from Tagum City. And number 18, Bridget Chavez of Davao City. For our 5 to 6 years old girls category.
Kusog kayo yung isa, oh. Kusog kayo. Okay, first.
Yun na lang ako ang 5 to 6 ha kayo. Isa lang din sila. Unahin muna natin ang 5 to 6
Zara.
girls ha.
Riders ng mga Rikina, oh.
Please clear the track. Please clear the track. Team Yeda, number 13. Asa si number 13? Yeda Mosqueda of Malala, Davao del Sur. Oh, 26.
The Rikina rider.
Hinata! Dali na, dali. Number 16. Number 16. Nana si number 16? Number 16. Number 16. Shanti Makamay. This is our 6 years old girls category. Wait as I call your name, ha? Rider number 8, Micaela Rivera of Davao City. Rider number 9, Linda Ara of Davao City. Rider number 10, Sabrina Gamboa of Davao City. Rider number 11, Zayana Villegas of Tagum City. Rider number 12, Queen Bolo of and rider number 26, Sam Queda of Tagum City. Please proceed at the starting grid. Please proceed at the